So we are solving the correct profit of Mrs. Surekha for the assessment year 2021-22. Friends, the profit and loss account is given to you, out of which 4 adjustments are there. Number 1 is salary includes 23,000 salary to daughter of Mrs. Surekha, which is excess by rupees 3,000 as compared to other employees in same category. Second is depreciation allowable is 64,000. Actually debited is 68,000. Third is GST includes penalty of rupees 3,000 and interest of rupees 2,000. And fourth is bad debts recovered which are credited to profit and loss account are earlier allowed as a deduction in the year 2018-19. So your job is to find out whether items debited to profit and loss account are revenue expenses or revenue losses or not. If yes, keep it as it is. If not, add back. क्यों ऐड करेंगे उसको? क्योंकि प्रॉफिट बढ़ाएंगे हम उसका. Now all of your income tax officers, when you are calculating this problem, तो करेक्ट प्रॉफिट आपको ढूंढना है. सुरेखा ने दिखाया 2,13,000, लेकिन हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि एक्चुअली करेक्ट प्रॉफिट कितना होना चाहिए उसका. ओके, तो एज पर फॉर्मेट नेट प्रॉफिट एज पर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड एक्सपेंसेस डेबिटेड बट नॉट अलाउड. What is not allowed? Excess depreciation is there. 68,000 minus 64,000, so 4,000. Then municipal taxes of residential house 9,000. Penalty of goods and services tax 3,000. Reserve for doubtful debts 5,000. Reserve do not mean actual loss. Is that clear? Reserve is a provision. It will be added back. Interest on GST is allowed, but penalty is not allowed. That will add back. Municipal taxes of residential house. Why it is added? Because it will be considered while calculating income from house property. Is that clear? Not addable in profit and loss account of Mrs. Surekha. वो wrong treatment था, हमने correct किया. Added back. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, ओन कैपिटल नॉट अलाउड. सुरेखा ने अपना प्रॉफिट कम किया था ये ऐड करके, अब वो प्रॉफिट बढ़ाएंगे हम, करेक्ट ट्रीटमेंट देंगे. तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 7,500. देन एक्सेस सैलरी गिवन टू हर डॉटर. बाकी सबको 20,000 मिल रहा है, उसकी डॉटर को कितना मिल रहा है? 23,000. एक्सेस इज 3,000. सो एडेड बैक 31,500. अभी उसका प्रॉफिट आ रहा है 2,44,500. But again, she has credited certain incomes which are not business incomes. Your job is to find out whether the incomes credited to profit and loss account are revenue incomes, whether these incomes are relating to business. If income is related to capital gain, house property, other sources, it shall not be credited to profit and loss account. अगर उसको क्रेडिट किया गया, जैसे इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड है यहाँ पे, जो इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स है, उसको क्रेडिट करने की वजह से क्या हुआ? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट का टोटल बढ़ गया. क्रेडिट का टोटल बढ़ा तो डेबिट का बढ़ेगा, डेबिट का टोटल बढ़ा तो प्रॉफिट भी बढ़ गया उसकी वजह से. तो जितना प्रॉफिट बढ़ा है उसको हम कम करेंगे. तो लेस इनकम टैक्सेबल अंडर अदर हेड्स. तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन एफडी 19,000. And second is dividend received. It is also income from other sources, 6,000. So 25,000 we have deducted. The test of your knowledge lies in understanding why we are adding, what we are adding, and what we are subtracting. That reasoning you should be able to understand with the effect on profit and loss account given by SSC with wrong treatment. Now we have rectified all the treatments. So finally, taxable profits and gains from business and profession are 2,19,500. पहले कितना था उसका प्रॉफिट? 2,13,000. अभी कितना है? 2,19,500. Now it is perfect document. If any questions are there, you can ask. Any questions, any doubts. That's all.